Hi and welcome to the Malat Cookery channel. So the meal that I'm cooking for the family this evening is a really nice Indian takeaway chicken balti. So this is a really simple dish to make. The spices I'm going to be using from the Malat range are the tandoori masala powder, the curry mix powder and the curry base gravy mix. I'll put a link to those in the description below the video. Right, so what I'm going to do with the ingredients, I'll push them into sections. So we'll do the actual chicken and the marinade first, and then we'll do the main meal second. So for the marinade, I've got a chicken breast fillet which has been cubed, about an inch cubes, teaspoon of mint sauce, teaspoon of lemon juice, small tub of natural yogurt. I'm going to be using a tablespoon of the Malat tandoori masala spice mix, and an optional extra, I'm going to be using about 1/4 teaspoon of red food colouring. So for the main meal, I've got a large white onion which has been peeled and chopped. Got a couple of mixed peppers, bell peppers, which have been de-seeded and chopped. We've got a tablespoon of the Malat curry mixed powder, 300 millilitres of the Malat curry base gravy. Going to use some oil for cooking, and about a tablespoon of Patak's Balti spice paste. First thing to do then, we're going to take our chicken and mix in our marinade. So in goes our yogurt. Our lemon juice. Mint sauce. Our tandoori masala spice mix, and our tiny bit of red food colouring. Right, so I'm just going to mix all this in, place some food wrap over the top, and leave it in the fridge for a couple of hours. Overnight would be a lot better, if your planning is a lot better than mine is. Right, so I've taken the chicken out of the fridge now after 2 hours, onto skewers, and then a medium heat over the gas barbecue. We just want to get a really intense flavour for this. I'd much prefer to do it over coals, but I just haven't got any time. And that's really where this gas barbecue comes in, when it's just like a spur of the moment kind of thing. So these are going to take about 15 minutes. I'm going to turn them a few times, obviously, through the cooking process. Right, so the chicken's nearly done. It's really important we don't allow this chicken to dry out. Just want it to obviously get that barbecue flavour and the colours as well. So another couple of minutes and we'll start on the main curry. Okay, so Balti is basically just a style of cooking in a Balti pan. This is our old wok, Chinese wok, so this is now our new Balti pan. So first thing I'm going to do is put some oil in, about 3 or 4 tablespoons of oil. We're going to use some of our Malat curry mix powder to actually flavour the oil. So in an Indian restaurant, to save money, they use old oil, so oil that's been used to fry onion barges, that type of thing. And because that cost saving, it actually adds, because the oil is flavoured, it actually adds that depth of flavour. So this is how, obviously, I replicate that old oil. First First thing to go in is the onion. We're just going to cook this through for about 3 or 4 minutes, just until that onion is all broken up. Next thing, and go the peppers. There's obviously a lot of regional differences with most recipes, really. Some Indian restaurants that I visit don't put bell peppers in at all into Balti, others do. This particular restaurant where I got this recipe from, obviously they do use peppers. Okay, so next thing to go in is the paste. So a lot of Indian restaurants I visit use paste. It cuts down on the number of ingredients and obviously the time and everything that they've got to prep. Some don't. Some do everything from scratch, but the vast majority use a paste, and it's important that the paste goes in now because it does have oils and vinegars in the paste, and we just want to cook out some of that sort of vinegar flavour. Time to add a little bit of our base gravy. We just want to add this base gravy a little bit at a time. Obviously it depends how much curry sauce you like with your meal and how much that you're going to add. Okay, so now we want to add in the chicken. Wow. That smells absolutely delicious. Just going to turn the heat down. Right, just going to cook this through now for 5 or 6 minutes. Taste it, then if it needs any seasoning I'll add that, or if it needs any more base gravy I'll add that as well. Okay, so there you go, chicken Balti, absolutely delicious. Please subscribe to the channel, and as usual, if you've enjoyed this particular video, hit the like button. Thank you very much for watching.